Ah, Jeep now, boy. Face, hit me up. I'm better than you, Tfue. It's 2 on me. Let me catch this dub. Oh,
hey, bud.
Oh.
I got a surprise for you. I know you've done cars for other people before. This time it's for Xbox. It's a game, PUBG. I know you play it. I know you love it. You need to take it over from here.
I'll take it over. I'll take that torch that you're carrying that's burning out, and I will drench that in gasoline and get my boring company flamethrower and just set it ablaze.
Whatever you need to do to get it done, we only have 14 days. And they said it's something about a van in the game.
Yeah.
Hopefully you have that in your head because you need to go meet with Musa.
I've been thinking.
Make a rendering and get it built.
Before we even walked in here, I already had a concept for it.
The clock starts now.
You don't have a watch.
Musa! We have no time, Musa!
What? Now, it is important to mention this is for PUBG. We need a 1977 bus. That's our base. And then we're gonna be needing a nice copper yellow color on the entire thing. Somewhat of this orange and this yellow.
Got it.
Got it? Alright.
Got it.
And then the top, all black Linux. Nice and hard. Looks like a frying pan. Speaking of frying pans, we're gonna need one of these as the rear view windows. You got it?
Got it.
That. Alright? 4 Xboxes, 4 TVs. Alright, Musa, so I'm gonna need this ASAP, as soon as possible. 11 minutes at least. Alright?
Got it.
Alright, I'm out.
Dude, what are you doing?
We have a build.
Another one?
It's from Xbox. This one's a pretty intense one. Now, let me give you some context on PUBG. You're an old guy.
I don't even know what PUBG is.
You know what an Xbox is.
I have an Xbox.
Okay, good. Now,
So basically, PUBG is a battle royale game. Drop out of a plane, get stuff, kill each other, last man standing wins.
now, one of the major things in PUBG is its frying pan mechanics. Now, the frying pan mechanics, if you don't understand, are the fact that once you get a frying pan, you put it on your back, and then anyone that shoots you in the back, the bullet doesn't hit you. It hits the pan, and the pans are bulletproof. So, therefore, no damage.
There's a
Very
frying
good.
pan weapon / shield in the game?
Yes. These boys, we're gonna be making these frying pans.
Frying pan rear view mirror.
And this is just
That'll be a first.
This is just the exterior. Next. Now, moving on to the interior. In the very back, there's gonna be 2 TVs and 2 Xboxes.
Okay.
Having all these chairs, gone. And this whole interior, even more disgusting. So that's basically what we're gonna do with this entire thing.
We want it to
The
look
entire
pretty
thing.
rustic
Pretty
and
beat- pretty
used
beaten
and
up.
beat up,
Pretty
Mad
beaten
Max
up.
style. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. But why do you keep bringing me stuff that only has 2 weeks to do it? What's up with this, man? Don't you know people that have like a calendar more than 2 weeks long?
You know, Chad, that's a good question. I'll answer it. Outside!
You go to your office, I'll go to mine. Let's get this done. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, Chad, it's been 7 minutes. What have you gotten done?
7 minutes, we got a lot done. The whole van is bodywork. It's all primered. We've painted all the doors actually, so we're gonna put the body in the booth, get it masked off, and we're gonna spray the body. We've also been working on the electronics. We've got batteries back here, we have power inverters. We have a ton of wiring going with the Xbox and the TV, so it's coming together. It's coming together like butt cheeks.
I'm already visualizing.
All right.
I can already see it.
You should probably check in like another 12 minutes and we'll see where we are.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, well, cool, Chad. I'll let you do your thing,
Thank you, sir.
and I will see you in 0.5 seconds.
good, right? Yeah. Front end's done. Frying pans, cooking eggs in here. Interior's almost done. We're finishing up a little bit of wiring. Seats are already upholstered, so doing a little internal wrapping. TVs are in. Xboxes are in. We're doing a little bit of branding for the PUBG brand in the back right now. So it's coming together, man. We're close.
I'll come back in, let's say 2 minutes this time.
All right, cool. Counting down.
2 very boring minutes later.
This is a lot bigger of a thing than I thought it was. Not saying I'm nervous or anything. I'm not sweating. I'm only sweating because it's hot. It's a little nerve-wracking. It's a little strange, but I'm just hyped because I'm gonna meet the man, PlayerUnknown himself.
So, don't peek.
Please.
But here it is. But honestly, when I think about it, it's like I really couldn't pull this build off without my son. When I
hear he's a huge PUBG fan, right?
huge.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
So this is my son, Dylan.
It's great to meet you, Aaron.
This is Aaron from Xbox.
Hey, good to meet you.
All right, Dylan.
We're waiting to
Grab
see
that
it.
side. So, did Dylan do a good job?
Dylan, you definitely played some PUBG, that's for sure.
Yeah. I pay attention. I gotta.
Outstanding.
Yeah.
All the little details. We love the Xbox grill, the frying pan mirrors.
Oh yeah, this is awesome. Really good job. I know the team back in Seoul and our other offices are going to love this. They really are.
One of our lucky Xbox One fans actually is going to get to keep this at the end of summer.
Wow, really?
That's some prize, man.
Where do you go to win it?
Summerofpubg.com, and you can sign up and enter to win there.